quiet delivery. Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm gonna bring you to Random Dogs. I'm gonna bring those passengers too. I bet it was you, Clarabelle, and Annie too. Alright, let's go bring passengers. Ding, 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 ding. Something that's the obstacle works. Ding, 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 ding. And now the tugboats are tooting. Toot, toot. Ding, ding, ding. Thomas. I think Thomas. I'm sorry. Don't forget, Thomas, you will be extra quiet. I can be as quiet as an arrow. A helicopter. Let's go. Hi, logo. Beep beep. I don't think it was it. Hi, Nia. Hey, Diesel. Those wheels are kind of loud. Ow, ow, ow. What did you say? I can't hear you by those rattling wheels. I said those rattling wheels. I gotta get away from this noise. Oh, would you want a race? Game on! No, I'm not racing. I need to find something to get there. Quieter. You will never see me, Thomas. We'll see about that. Hey, where are you going? To Random Dogs. The quiet way. So quiet. So peaceful. Oh, baby! Whoa! And twisty. Oh no! Full steam ahead. No steam ahead. Gotta slow down. I think it was the perfect train to go. That's creaky and noisy. Are they sleeping? Wow. So peaceful. But I think it would be fine. Come on, Percy. Oh no. What is that? No. Shh, 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 shh. I wonder if there's something quiet. Wait, lights are quiet. Hi, Percy. Hi, Thomas. I really need your help and my lucky bell. I need your help and my lucky keyboard. I think so, Percy. Don't forget, we're going to be extra quiet. I will be as quiet as Nia. Almost. That's noisy. Alright. Come on, Percy, let's bring them. Let's sing a lullaby. Jaga, jaga, snooze, snooze. Everything gets everything. Jaga, jaga, snooze, snooze. Everything gets down. I know it's dang. For knowing it's best to slow things down. Everything. Jaga, jaga, snooze, snooze. Everything gets done. Percy, come on. No, stupid head. Got us all down. I'm the train. Gotta go. Move, Nia. Move. Move. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. I can tell Nia to get out of the way. Nia, move out of my way. Oh, oh dear, Thomas. You woke us up. I think we arrived in Brandon. Here you go. Thomas? Sweet dreams. You deserve it. Bye-bye.